Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. And we are here at Noida now, and I'm at a friend's place, and we are finally traveling again, and we are going to Rishikesh. Continue. Hey guys, so we finally reached Rishikesh, and we are here at the Beatles Cafe. And when we reached here, it was really crowded, and now we finally got a seat where we could adjust ourselves. And plus the cafe with the view, it's amazing. Who wouldn't come here? Hey guys, we are at the Ghat right now, and we just witnessed the Ganga Aarti, and it's so peaceful, and we're filled with so much joy after this. And now we are here. How did you like it? Your first time experience?
It's good. It is good.
Liking it. How to explain my intensity of liking it?
कैसा लगिला आपनको?
The intensity of liking it is high.
Shut up. Hi guys, so we are here at Hideaway camp, and we came here last night, but we were so tired and exhausted, but we were in also a party mood, so I did not create any content, and I just did not want to waste that in content creation and all that. So I have enjoyed a lot last night, and this camp is amazing. Let me show you around. Camps are the perfect space to unwind. You get new experiences, meet new people, and lots more. The best thing about this camp was we were literally in the lap of nature.
Is Kutia.
And we know it as
Beatles Ashram.
Cool. Beatles Ashram has a lot to offer, and it's also a part of Rajaji National Park. You just need an entry fee of ₹150 to enter. You can take a walk, explore the meditation huts, and then witness the surreal views of the river Ganga. Rishikesh, as they say, is the yoga capital, but in my very short trip as planned, I found it has to offer more than what we can imagine. Rishikesh is just like a peaceful and happy dream.